Hey there! Welcome to another yoga class at Andrijana's Flow. My name is Andrijana, and in today's 15-minute yoga class, we'll release the tension from your neck and shoulders. You might need a yoga strap, so go ahead and grab that, and let's begin. Let's begin seated at the back of our mat. Bring your knees together, your feet together, send your hips over the heels, and sit up nice and tall. If this is too intense, find any other comfortable seated position. Rest your palms on your thighs, close your eyes, and let's do a little body scan. Take a deep inhale, notice where you feel the most tension, take a mental note of it, and as you exhale, release that tension. Repeat with your own breath a couple of times. Now open up your eyes, and as you inhale, lift your chin up to the sky, and exhale, bring the chin to your chest. Inhale, lift up, throw your head back. Exhale, chin to chest. Do this mindfully and respect your body's limits. Keep repeating with your own breath. Now stop and recenter, and let's move the head side to side. Inhale in the middle, exhale, look to the right. Inhale in the middle, exhale, look to the left. Each time, allow the head to turn further towards the back, bringing the chin over the shoulder. Now stop in the middle, recenter, and let's move our shoulders. Inhale, lift the shoulders up to your ears, push them back and down. Exhale, move them forward and back up again. Keep on breathing and keep on creating as big of a circle as you can. Now reverse and draw the circle in the opposite direction. Now stop the movement. Take a deep inhale through your mouth. Lift your shoulders to your ears. Then sigh loudly through your mouth and drop the shoulders down. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, drop them and sigh. Now inhale, lift the arms up. Interlace your fingers. Place the palms behind your head. Inhale, allow the elbows to push back, open up your chest. Exhale, bring the chin to your chest, arch the back, try to touch the elbows. Inhale, open the chest up. Exhale, elbows try to touch. Repeat with your own breath. Now exhale, release your palms, place them on top of your knees, and let's move our spine. Exhale, arch the back, chin to chest. Inhale, push your chest through the arms and up. Exhale, arch. Inhale, look up, open up your chest. Repeat with your own breath. Stop the movement. Take an inhale to recenter. Now inhale, lift the arms up, interlace your fingers, and reach with the palms up. Feel the opposite force, palms reaching up, hip bones pulling towards the ground. Now inhale one more time, elongate the spine. Exhale, bend towards the right. Keep your shoulders stacked on top of each other and keep pulling with those fingertips to the side. Now come back to center. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, left arm stretches out to the left. Right palm goes over the left ear, bringing the right ear towards the right shoulder. Imagine there's a wall to your left and you're trying to push it away. Be gentle and keep on breathing. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, left arm goes down. Bend the elbow, bring the left palm behind your back as you lower the right palm down between your shoulder blades. Right elbow points up, left elbow points down as you try to clasp both palms together. If you can't reach, here is where you can use your strap. Grab it between your palms and pull the strap in the opposite directions. Keep on breathing. Allow your shoulders to broaden and pull them back. And release your palms. Inhale, lift the arms overhead. Exhale, cross your right arm over the left. Twist your forearms, bring the palms to touch. Lift your elbows to shoulder height and point the fingertips towards the sky. If this is too intense, place each palm on the opposite shoulder or grab opposite elbows. Now exhale, release the arms. Inhale, lift them up over your head. Then gently come onto all fours into your tabletop. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, right arm reaches up. Exhale, thread the right arm through the left. Bring the right shoulder to the mat. Ground the right cheek. Extend the left arm forward. Keep those hips over your knees. If this is comfortable, try to extend the left leg back. Push the heel towards the mat. Do your best to keep your hips square and pointed down. Now exhale, come back up. Inhale, lift the right arm again towards the sky. Then gently lower down to your belly. Extend your right arm to the side. Place your right cheek on the mat. And as you exhale, gently turn onto your right side, bringing the left foot behind you. Point that left knee up to the sky. If that is too intense, just keep the foot in front of you. Keep on breathing. Exhale, turn back onto your belly. Gently push yourself up. Send the hips over your heels and lower down in child's pose. Take a few deep breaths here. Take a short rest. Now gently inhale, come up to seated, and let's repeat it on the other side. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlace the fingers, and pull them up. Elongate that spine. Allow yourself to grow taller with each inhale. And exhale, bend towards the left. Keep your shoulders stacked, chest open. And exhale, come back to center. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, right arm extends towards the side. Left palm over right ear. Bend the head towards the left. Actively push that imaginary wall away from you. And gently try to bring the left ear closer to the left shoulder. Now exhale, release. Inhale, lift the arms overhead. Exhale, lower the right arm, place the palm behind your back, bend your left elbow, bringing the palm between your shoulder blades, trying to clasp both palms. Left elbow reaches up, right elbow reaches down. Now exhale, release. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, cross the left arm over the right. Twist your forearms, bring the palms together. Allow your shoulder blades to move away from each other. Pull them apart. Keep breathing. Exhale, release the palms. Inhale, lift the arms up and come down in your tabletop. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, left shoulder comes down, left cheek grounds, right arm stretches in front of you. Keep your hips over those knees. And again, if it feels good, extend the right leg back, trying to reach the heel towards the mat. Keep on breathing. Now as you exhale, ground both knees, push yourself up into tabletop. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, both palms down and lower yourself onto your belly. Extend your left arm to the side, ground your left cheek. Inhale, and as you exhale, push yourself on the left side of your body, bringing the right foot behind you. Press that left palm into the ground. Now exhale, come back onto your belly and gently turn yourself around and lay down on your back. Bring your knees to your chest. Give them a little hug. Now maybe try and bring your nose to your knees. Curl into a little ball and gently rock side to side. Now gently lower the head back to the mat. Release your knees. Extend your legs. Place the palms on the mat. Allow the fingertips to open. Extend the legs, placing the feet slightly wider than your hips. And rest in your final pose, shavasana. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, release all the tension from your body. Unclench your jaw. Allow your shoulders to roll out, melt into the ground. Stay in your shavasana for at least 5 minutes. Thank you so much for joining today's class. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe for more classes like this. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.